Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and I'm here inside of an abandoned structure, what looks to be an office building. At first I thought this was a parking garage, but it's not. This video is not going to be that long, but since this is abandoned / being restored for the past 2 years, it's going on my channel. So anyway, let me give you a little background information on what you're seeing here. First of all, I started at the 3rd floor, and I'm going to work my way down because it's just easier to do it that way with this building. However, people have been sending me pictures of this for at least 1.5 to 2 years, and I got a recent picture saying, hey, you should check this place out. So I looked into it, and this place is literally in the same exact condition right now that you're seeing in this video as it was 1.5 years ago. So I have no idea what's going on with it, but let me give you a look around. So basically what you see is what you get. I don't know, this as far as I know, I mean there's a shower in here, who knows what this is. But just as a word of advice, as I always tell people, first of all, this was wide open. Getting in here was a little bit tricky, but if you see an abandoned place that's being restored, or you happen to go in there, don't be stupid and destroy stuff. Don't take stuff. Take pictures, video, and leave. Simple. Lately, there's been a trend of idiots stealing piping. Like, there's no reason to take this stuff. It's really interesting to see what would be, I guess you could clarify this as wireframe mode. That's blocked off because that's the downstairs. See, I'm up on the 3rd floor right here. So that's kind of cool. So this is how you can tell these floors are solid, because there are people working on them. There's ladders, and even though that ladder is tied up, it's still solid enough for it to sit on. Now, I could literally fit through here and go through, but I'm not going to, because that door's shut for a reason. I don't know if it's winded, but I'm not going to go back there. Alright, so I'm going to head downstairs now. There's a shower in here. Huh. Wondering if this is an apartment or an office building. Okay, so just give you an example of why this stuff is always dangerous. I don't care what building you're in, I don't care what you're doing. Let me show you this. Now, fortunately, this doesn't drop all the way down. So theoretically, I could just drop down on there, but I'm not going to. So, being very careful. I'm going to go on the 2nd floor here. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same on all floors. It's just really bizarre to see it in this condition. There is live electricity in here, by the way. That power cord you see, this yellow cord you see on the ground if you spin down, it actually has power going to it because you can see the light here. There's a light in here, so I know there's active power here. I'm kind of trying to stretch this video because there really is literally nothing much to see in here. Yeah, just like upstairs, that door is shut, so I don't want to go in there. Now, I probably could go over there, but I'm not going to. Because again, this door is open, so I don't know if the wind did it or they did it on purpose, but either way, it looks like even if somebody were to get back here, you don't want to walk back there. Again, please be safe when you're in these places. Again, I always try to give you as much viewing footage as possible, so. This is where I came in. So, let me get down to the first floor and then head out. It's, like I said, it's really interesting to see this in this condition, because if you pull up a computer graph of something, you can go into something called wireframe mode, and this is basically what wireframe mode looks like. It's really interesting. So if that's the first you've ever heard of wireframe mode, check it out. It's actually quite interesting when you look at a building like that, or anything like that for that matter. So here's how I got through this. Again, I'm not gonna be stupid. All right, here we go. So as you can see here, this is pretty much it. I'm assuming that those stairwells that I went down are up over there. But anyway, that's it. That's literally the entrance I came through. It's wide open, as I said. So, all right. Well, that's basically it. I know it's a short video, so until next time. It's Matt from 360 Investigations signing out. Have a good one.